Motional EMF. Now we are going to discuss motional EMF. The EMF induced across the ends of a conductor due to its motion in magnetic field is called motional EMF. Right. Consider a rectangular coil PQRS is placed in uniform magnetic field B. Magnetic field is in downward direction. In this coil PQRS, तो साइड PQ है वो फिक्स नहीं है. It can move on the side SP and RQ. ये इस तरीके से मूव कर रहा है. Right? Let this side PQ is moving with constant velocity V in this direction. ये जो साइड PQ है ये इस तरीके से मूव कर रहा है with constant velocity V in this direction. Now magnetic flux linked with this rectangular coil is decreasing, and when the magnetic flux linked with this coil will decrease, what will happen? Induced EMF will set up in the rod PQ and current will flow, and the direction of induced current is given by the Fleming right hand rule. Clear? Now one thing is clear, that when the PQ will move in this magnetic field, induced current will flow, and in this case direction of induced current will be this one. This is the direction of induced current. क्योंकि जैसे ये आगे जाएगा मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स डिक्रीज होगी linked with this coil, and induced current will set up in such a direction that it is going to oppose this cause. Let L is this one length and X is this length. Now at any time t, magnetic flux linked with this coil will be phi equal to B into A. Now area of this coil A equal to L into X, that is phi equal to B into L into X. Clear? Now since this side is moving with constant velocity V in this direction, तो क्या चेंज हो रहा है? L तो उतना ही है यहाँ पे. X is decreasing, and when X is decreasing, flux भी decrease हो रहा है. Now d phi by dt equal to B into L into dx upon dt. Now d phi by dt equal to minus times E, that is induced EMF, that is minus E equal to B into L, and dx upon dt, rate of change of position with respect to time is velocity, to V, and this will be minus V. यहाँ पे dx by dt जो होगा वो माइनस V होगा. माइनस V क्यों होगा? Because the velocity V is in the decreasing direction of x. जो V की जो डायरेक्शन है x के डिक्रीजिंग डायरेक्शन में है, इसलिए हमने dx by dt को माइनस V ले लिया. Now minus E equal to minus B L into V, this and this cancel, E equal to B into L into V. This E is not a electronic charge, not an electric field. It is the induced EMF. ठीक है. L is the length of the rod which is moving and V is the velocity. Right. Now current in the loop. Look here. R is the resistance of this loop. इस loop का resistance R है. In that case, current in the loop, I equal to induced EMF upon R, and this will be equal to I equal to B into L into V upon R. Now, force on the movable आर, जो आर्म मूव कर रहा है उस पर फोर्स कितना लगेगा. राइट. बिकॉज दिस पी क्यू इज कैरिंग करंट आई एंड इट इज इनसाइड अ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. तो जब भी कोई करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के परपेंडिकुलर हो तो उस पर फोर्स तो जरूर लगेगा. तो वी नो दैट force equal to I into L into B sin theta. Here theta is 90 degree. F equal to I is B L V upon R. I यहाँ से आगे and L as it is, B as it is, theta is 90 degree, sin 91. F equal to B square L square V upon R. This is the force X on the outward direction opposite to the velocity. Now, power. Power delivered by external force, by the external force. The power supplied by the external force to maintain the motion of this PQ in this direction is power equal to F into V, एंड पावर इक्वल टू फोर्स कितना निकाला है हमने, बी स्क्वायर एल स्क्वायर वी बाई आर इंटू वी. पावर इक्वल टू बी स्क्वायर एल स्क्वायर वी स्क्वायर बाई आर. करेक्ट. थैंक यू.